afternoon. I'm Ronald Jancy Hernandez and we are at Azarenos College and Hospital Foundation Incorporated. So we're going to interview some participants in their latest event, the Intramurals. So we created some questions to participants. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! So I have found someone who participated in Intramurals at Nazarenos. What's your name?
My name is Sean Gabriel Victoriano.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. Good afternoon.
So this is some question we created. How does it feel to be part of this Intramurals?
Actually, I'm very glad that I'm part of this Intramurals this 2026 because it's actually my first time here in Nazarenos and I have a lot of fun and met some new friends also during the Intramurals and up to first day until the last day.
So good. It seems next question. What are the competitions that you watch?
The first day that I watched the Intramurals, I actually watched ML and chess. The first time that I watched is chess. It is actually very stressful because it's giving a hard time to players to what do you call this? What do you call that?
Yeah.
Sincere in the playing of the game because it takes hard to play that. And when I actually not play ML but I am 6-man of Pink Flamingo in Mobile Legends.
I was there. I saw your
Okay, thanks. We come up in first place. We didn't get the champion and yeah, that's it.
I was there. The champion is Red Horse.
Yeah, that's Red Horse.
Next, what did you choose to participate in your Intramurals?
I choose volleyball and basketball, and in basketball what was that? I think we are third place, I guess. I don't know. In volleyball, we choose to play. We had a conflict that day. We had to choose where we're going to play. It's either basketball or volleyball, and we choose basketball because I don't know, it's more fun and exciting.
I was also playing basketball at Nazarenos
Okay.
when I was a kid. Next question. What was your preparation when the time has come that you are going to compete?
I actually prepare my mind, my health for this game because it's not just only intramurals, because every time that I play, I take it seriously because it's just simple. I love this game. I offer always to the Lord or my game, and yeah, that's it.
Next question. Last question. During the intrams, playing basketball and volleyball at the same time isn't not kinda hard for you?
For me, it's actually very hard because, like I said earlier, we had to choose what we are going to play. It's either basketball or volleyball, and we choose basketball. And our volleyball, the Pink Flamingo, I think we got, I don't know, random players. Yeah, we got random players and we lost. And I think that's a lesson for me that I wouldn't do that again. I'm going to choose basketball the next year in Chamorros. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Sean, for participating in our interview. Upon hearing your story, I believe that you enjoy your intramurals. Thank you.
Thank you.